Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over two worked examples to show you how to do problems involving current. Now if you haven't already done so, check out my previous video covering the theory on this topic, and that way you'll be able to apply what you learned in that video to this one. So let's get started. Question 1 says that a simple series circuit containing two resistors and a battery is shown below. If the current in resistor R2 is 0.5 amps, what is the current in resistor R1? Well, to answer this we need to know the circuit rule for current in a series circuit. So in a series circuit, we say that current is the same at all points. And we could write this in symbol form as IS is equal to I1 is equal to I2 is equal to ... where IS is your current in the series circuit. So if the current in resistor R2, which we could call I2, is 0.5 amps, then the current in resistor R1, which we can call I1, is going to be the same. So we have I1 is equal to 0.5 amps. Question 2 says that in the following circuit, two resistors are connected in parallel with a battery. If the current leaving the battery is 9 amps and the current in resistor R1 is 6 amps, what is the current in resistor R2? So remember, the current will flow this direction from the negative terminal of the battery round and down through resistor R1 and back up through the battery, but we'll also have the current splitting and going through this branch along through R2 and then up back to the battery. So if we label our currents, first of all, we have 9 amps passing through the battery there, and we have 6 amps which is passing along here. So if that's the case, we can work out simply what the current is going to be passing along this branch. So in order to do this, we need to know the circuit rule for current in a parallel circuit, which says that in a parallel circuit, the sum of the current in each branch is equal to the current from the supply. So there's the current passing through the supply, 9 amps. We've got 6 amps through this branch. So in order to find what this branch is, it must add up with this one to give us the 9 amps. So we can say that IP is equal to I1 plus I2 plus ... That's just another way of writing this circuit rule where IP is the current in parallel. And so we could say that the current passing through the battery, 9 is equal to 6 plus I2. So if I'm trying to find I2 that comes down here, all I need to do is take 6 away from 9 and I get I2 is equal to 3 amps. That's all for this video folks, thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.